Hey everyone, my name is Bob Barter, and today we're going to find out what is Barter Scoop. So we thought we'd bring one of the representatives over here to find out more about it. Marlon Burns, how are you doing? Pretty good, Bob. Thanks for asking. Okay, so what the heck is Barter Scoop? Well, Barter Scoop is a site that shares ideas and strategies on how to increase profits and help small businesses to be able to grow their business using bartering and trading. So the site has a bunch of articles and videos that will shine light on the many different ways that businesses all across the world are using, and even governments are using bartering in their businesses. Okay. So why was it started? Well, we started Barter Scoop in order to be able to help businesses, because we would see that a lot of individuals were struggling for capital. They were either underfinanced and looking for creative ways to get an advantage in their business. So bartering is an excellent strategy to be able to use in your business. So by teaching them bartering, a lot of them were like, yeah, we barter sometimes, but not really a whole lot. So we wanted to show them a lot of different ways to be able to use it in their business and not just belong to different trade networks and be like, hey, we don't understand how to use trade in our business. So we wanted to be able to help reach out to those individuals and share information that might be helpful. Interesting. So why should anyone listen to Barter Scoop or you? That's a good question. We have over 200 years of combined experience working with our team. So we've done the wrong things, we've done the right things, and we got a good mix in between. So we have a lot of experience on how you can use bartering to be able to not only save money in your business, but to make that big purchase that you were planning for, to find the trade exchanges in your local areas that you can network with that can just make things a whole lot easier. There's a lot of trade exchanges in North America that businesses need to belong to. They can be very helpful in helping those businesses save money and grow at a much faster rate. Okay. So, is Barter Scoop a barter network or a trade exchange? What is it? No, Barter Scoop isn't a trade exchange or a barter exchange. It's just what I've kind of really already alluded to. It's more of news and information and sharing to get individuals more aware of just how powerful barter can be. There's a couple of hundred barter exchanges in North America, and a ton more worldwide. And with 30 million businesses in the United States and only a handful of them belonging to barter exchanges, the more aware that businesses and even professionals become that the fact that there are barter exchanges that exist out there, the better it'll make for everyone participating in the network. So no, we're not a barter exchange, and hope that answers your question. Well, that's excellent. Well, now we all know. And if you need to find out more about Barter Scoop, go to BarterScoop.com or check out the podcasts. Make sure to follow them on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, or whatever network you're paying attention to these days. I'm Bob Barter, and we're out.